Today is more than just a ceremonial turnover. It is a recognition of the sacrifice and the unbreakable connection between our overseas Filipino workers and the families they hold close to their hearts. These balikbayan boxes are testament to the quiet resilience of our modern-day heroes. This carries not just the goods, but the hopes, dreams, and unwavering love of a parent, sibling, or child who works tirelessly in distant lands. Bawat kahon ay may dalang kwento. Kwento ng pagsusumikap, ng sakripisyo, at ng pusong laging nagmamahal kahit malayo. As public servants, may this moment remind us of our greater calling to serve with compassion, to protect with integrity, and to support every Filipino wherever they may be in the world. At sa ahensyang ito, hindi lamang tayo tagapangalaga ng kalakalan, tayo rin ay kaagapay sa paghahatid ng pag-asa, lalo na sa ating mga bagong bayan.
Nagpapasalamat din kami, sir, kasi hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi namin makukuha yung mga box namin.
Ako rin po nagpapasalamat sa DMW at saka sa Bureau of Customs kasi hindi po kami pinabayaan ng mga OFW.
And to our OFWs, mabuhay po kayo. Your courage uplifts us, your sacrifices strengthen our nation, and your love continues to shine in every Filipino home. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang manggagawang Pilipino.